Cinnamon is rich in anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-tumor properties. Its use in food provides many health benefits. If you also want to stay healthy for a long time, then include cinnamon in your diet. Cinnamon is such a spice, the taste of which increases as soon as a small quantity of it is added to the recipe. Apart from taste, this spice is also beneficial for health in many ways. Apart from food, this spice is also used in traditional medicine. As the winter season has started, the problems of cold, cough and sore throat are very troubling in this season. In such a situation, you should especially include some spices in your diet, like black pepper, celery, cinnamon, etc. Their nature is hot, due to which they not only keep the body warm in winter but also keep it away from seasonal infections. So know here how cinnamon is beneficial for health and how to include it in the diet. How to use cinnamon in your diet? Drinking cinnamon water is very beneficial. For this, soak 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks in water overnight. Filter this water and drink it in the morning. You can also use cinnamon in your regular tea. This will increase both the aroma and taste of tea. Along with tea leaves, also add ginger, black pepper and cinnamon to the tea. This increases the benefits of tea. Benefits of cinnamon. Including cinnamon in the diet keeps digestion healthy. This provides relief from problems like flatulence, stomach pain and gas. Besides, it is also helpful in reducing belly fat. It protects the body from many types of infections. It has a warming effect which provides relief from respiratory problems. Flavonoids found in cinnamon are effective in reducing inflammation in the body. The problem of swelling increases in winter. Cinnamon reduces bad cholesterol, which reduces the risk of heart diseases. Cinnamon helps in controlling insulin production. Just a pinch of cinnamon can be beneficial for diabetes patients. It may be protective against colds and flu. It contains compounds that appear to slow conditions like Alzheimer's. Cinnamon may provide some protection against cancer, although more studies are needed.